Hey, my posse. I wanted to be able to show you how it was attached up here to the frame. And then I can't show you the back because it's also sitting on a shelf in the back. Well, maybe you can kind of see it right there. That's being held in by the frame. And then all of this as well. It's not all screwed in yet, but I hope that helps. And then you're putting another one, right? Here?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll show you more if I can. But it gives you kind of an idea of how it's being held in there. Real nice. Real nice. Alright. See you.